How to increase laptop battery life? Even the longest listing laptop batteries will die. Here's everything you need to know to maximize the amount of time between visit to the power outlet. Who want to make an urgent dash to a power outlet to use their laptop batteries. That's no fun, especially if your family is working and learning from home these days in various corner of the house that may not have a convent socket nearly. Luckily, modern laptop are much more efficient than they are nowadays. Even expensive desktop replacement laptop and some gaming can last for more than 8 hours on a single charge. Ultra portable laptop often endure for 40 hours or more. Still, the truth is that the battery in your PC or Mac laptop would not last as long as the manufacturer, unless you pay attention to some key factor: your power setting, how many apps you are running, even the temperature of the room in which you are working. The good news is that none of this requires much effort to sort out once you know which setting to adjust. Let's take a look at the easiest, least effort way to get the most out of your laptop's battery. The first stop on your battery life betterment tour is your laptop's performance management tool in Windows 10. It is a slider assessed from the battery icon in the taskbar. The aims to group all of the settings that affect battery life into a few easy to categories. The best performance mode is for people willing to tread off battery runtime to again speed and responsive. In this mood, Windows would not stop apps running in the background from consuming a lot of power. The battery performance are recommended mode limits resources from background app, but it otherwise power our efficiently. The battery made delivers longer battery life than the default setting on previous various of Windows. The battery saver mode, a slider chest that will appear only when your PC is unplugged, reduce the display brightness by 30, prevents window update downloaded, stop the mail app from sensing, the suspend the most background app. Recent Mac laptops have extensive battery and power setting that you can control in macOS or later open the system performance and app and click on battery. Make sure that slightly dim the display while on battery power is checked and enable power nap while on battery power is unchecked. With power nap enabled and your MacBook is asleep, the machine will wake up now and then to check for updates. Disabling it keeps your MacBook full asleep until you choose to wake it up. On recent MacBook Pro laptop, the display brightness